Welcome to Enlighten Study Point.
Hello everyone, welcome to Enlighten Study Point. আজি আমি এই ভিডিঅ'ত জেনেৰেল সায়েন্স ক্লাছ 10ৰ চেপ্টাৰ 2 এচিড বেছ এণ্ড সল্ট সেই চেপ্টাৰৰ পেজ নম্বৰ 18, 22 আৰু 25 তাৰে থকা কুৱেশ্যন আনচাৰবোৰ লৈ আনিছোঁ। তো ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে কৈ চাইছোঁ যে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। তো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছোঁ। Question 1 দিয়া আছে, you are given 3 test tubes. The 3 test tubes contain distilled water, an acidic solution and a basic solution respectively. There is only red litmus paper available in order to identify what is there in each test tube. How will you fill out what is in each of the test tubes? Answer, we can identify the content in each of the test tubes using red litmus paper. This can be done by noticing the color change of the red litmus paper. On litmus paper, the 3 solutions in the test tube are poured separately. The solution which turn red litmus to blue contain a basic solution. Divide the form blue litmus paper into 2 parts. The solution from the test tube which turn blue litmus paper to red will be the acidic solution. The solution of the test tube which does not change either red or blue litmus paper contain water. Next, question 1 দিয়া আছে, why should curd and sour substances not be kept in brass and copper vessel? Curd contains lactic acid and other sour substances also contain some acid. So when they are kept in brass and copper vessel, the acid present in curd and sour substances react with the metal to liberate hydrogen gas and harmful products which spoil the food. Number 2, which gas is usually liberated when an acid react with a metal? Illustrate with an example. How will you test for the presence of this gas? When an acid react with any metal, salt and hydrogen gas are formed. Equation দিয়া আছে। Illustration, set up an apparatus. Take some zinc granules in the test tube. Add about 5 ml dilute hydrochloric acid slowly. Soon the reaction between zinc and hydrochloric acid start and hydrogen gas is evolved. Test for hydrogen gas. H2 gas is not soluble in water. When passes through soap solution, it get trapped into bubbles which burn with explosion. Number 3, metal compound A react with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce effervescence. The gases evolve extinguish a burning candle. Write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction if one of the compound form is calcium chloride. Answer, as one of the compound form is calcium chloride metal, compound A is salt of calcium. Burning candle is extinguished by carbon dioxide, so carbon dioxide gas is produced by reaction of A with hydrochloric acid. Carbon dioxide is produced by action of hydrochloric acid on carbonate, that means A is calcium carbonate. Equation দিয়া আছে। Next, question 1, why do HCl and HNO3 etc. show acidic character in aqueous solution while solution of compound like alcohol and glucose do not show acidic character? The answer, release of H plus ion in water will make a compound acidic or non-acidic. Acids are substances which upon dissociating with water resulting in the production of hydrogen ion. Some compounds show an acidic character as they dissociate in the aqueous solution which result in the production of hydrogen ion. Compounds similar to glucose or alcohol do contain a hydrogen element but they do not show sign of acidic nature. The fact is that the hydrogen in them will not separate from like the hydrogen in the acid. They will not separate to become hydrogen ions on dissolving in the water. Number 2. Why doesn't the solution of an acid contain electricity? Acid dissociates in an aqueous solution to form ions. These ions are responsible for conduction of electricity. Number 3. Why does dry HCl gas not change the color of the dry litmus paper? HCl does not keep out hydrogen ions. Therefore, HCl does not show any acidic behavior and the color of the litmus paper remain the same on reacting with HCl gas. While diluting an acid, why is it recommended that the acid should be added to water and not water to the acid? Since the process of dissolving an acid in water is exothermic, it is always recommended that acid should be added to water. If it is done the other way, then it is possible that because of the large amount of heat generated, the mixture splash out and cause burn. Number 5. How is the concentration of hydronium ions H3O plus affected when a solution of an acid is dilute? When an acid is dilute, the concentration of hydronium ions H3O plus per unit volume decrease. This means that the strength of the acid decrease. 6. How is the concentration of hydroxide ions affected when excess base is dissolved in a solution of sodium hydroxide? The concentration of hydroxide ion would increase when excess base is dissolved in a solution of sodium hydroxide. তা আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'ত এইটা কুৱেশ্যন আছিলে নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত আৰু বাকি কুৱেশ্যন চাবলৈ আনিম ভিডিঅ'বোৰ চাই থাকিব ভিডিঅ' চাই ভাল পাইছে যদি লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব ধন্যবাদ